In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive multiple tokens on Coinbase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to receive different cryptocurrencies safely and keep everything organized in one place. First, open the Coinbase app on your phone or head to the Coinbase website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the official app or the legitimate website in your browser, and always keep your sign-in details secure. If you use two-factor authentication, have that ready as well. Once you're in, go to your Assets or Portfolio tab on the home screen. This section shows your balances and the full list of supported tokens. If you don't see the token right away, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Choose the specific token you want to receive, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDC. Each token is handled separately, so you'll repeat this process for every one you plan to receive. Inside the tokens page, tap or click Receive. Coinbase will generate a unique wallet address for that token, along with a QR code. The QR code is just a scannable version of the same address, which makes it easy for someone to send to you without typing. Before you share the address, verify the network. This is crucial. Funds sent on the wrong network can be permanently lost. For example, ETH should be sent on the Ethereum network, and some tokens like USDC exist on multiple networks such as Ethereum, Basem, or others. Confirm with the sender which network they're using and make sure it matches what Coinbase supports for that token. Some assets also require an additional memo or tag. If you see one on the receive screen, be sure the sender includes it. Now you're ready to share. Copy the wallet address carefully or have the sender scan the QR code. Double check the first and last few characters if you paste it somewhere, and avoid sharing your address in public places. The sender will pay any network fee to send the funds. You don't pay to receive. After they send, the transfer may take a few confirmations to appear, so give it a little time. By the way, I've placed the official Coinbase app download link and the website link right at the top of the description to make it easy for you to get to the correct place. To receive another token, simply repeat the same steps. Pick the next token, open, receive, verify the correct network, and share that token's unique address or QR code. Remember, even if some addresses look similar, always use the address shown on the specific token's receive screen. That's it. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more straightforward crypto how-tos. Thanks for watching.